Hey, Anton here from GT Canada. Today we are going on a hike in Canmore around the Grassi Lakes area. Beautiful fall colors in the area, beautiful Rocky Mountains, and I want you guys to come along for this journey with us. I'm like 1 minute into the hike and already realizing how out of shape I am. There's a squirrel. Some of the wildlife. There's a very slight incline up this hill. It's already kind of tiring. So this was supposed to be an easy hike on all trails. I'm not sure if someone's playing with us or not, but this says that the easy trails to the right up a hill and the hard trails to the left on a more easy looking trail, but we're gonna try the easy way. So we've got a theory about this easy trail. It doesn't look easier than the hard trail, or the difficult trail, but my theory is that this trail is wide enough that if you break your leg while you're hiking on it, or get attacked by a bear, or whatever, then they can at least drive a truck up this trail to recover your dead body from the bear mauling, or take you back to the hospital with your broken leg. So it's not that this one's easier, it must be that it's just easier for them to come back and get you than the other trail, which looked like just a little goat trail. Something else that we noticed, there's a lot of side trails that come up from the hard trail to the easy trail. I'm guessing that's from people that changed their mind. They're like, yeah, this is way too hard. We should get back to that easy trail. So we're still on the easy trail. Seems to be the trail most followed. We got a guy with a bear banger in front of us, so hopefully that keeps the bears away. And we're gonna see a nice waterfall at the end.
A few moments later.
Kelly's already switching her coat into, what's that called? Knapsack mode?
Oh, it gives instructions how to do it proper. I'm just shoving it in.
Is that what the instructions say?
No, instructions give you a little diagram of exactly how to fold it and then roll it up.
It's important when you're hiking to always dress in layers. As you can see, Kelly's doing this properly. She's taking her first layer off and still has other layers left. She's got about 3 more layers she could strip off if we get too hot on this hike. It's about 9 degrees Celsius right now. The sun is shining through, as you can see. With the steep incline of this hike, make you warm up a little more than we thought we would on a fall day. So here we are at the end of the trail. There's just a little loop around here. Viewers said that it was windy up here and he was disappointed, and it is windy up here, but I'm not disappointed. This is all right. So we're gonna go check out the Grassi Lake and just see. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. thing that you never really notice is how dirty and disgusting the lake that I wakeboard and surf in is until you come out to a place like this where the water is crystal clear. Kind of weird, there's a sign here that says you are here, end of trail, but they put stairs at the end of the trail that make you want to keep going. Really neat little things like this rock bench here, just made out of the rocks from the mountains here in this beautiful area. So you guys are all in for a special treat. We are going down the hard route that we decided was dangerous because cars can't go up it. So you get to see what that looks like too. So we're kind of on a really big lookout area here, so I wanted to stop and show you guys what this looks like. There are hundreds of people a year that die at waterfalls looking out over the edge. I do not want to be one of them, but there you can see the waterfall. We're gonna do some switchbacks to get down to that and check it out from the bottom as well. And just like that, we've made it to the bottom of the waterfall. It is very misty and wet over here. Also windy. Closer here. About as close as I can get without being right inside of it. So we've been hiking down the difficult trail for a little bit now. There's a lot of switchbacks here. One thing that you notice when you want to make a trail harder, throw water all over it. So we've got running water all over every part of the trail here, as you can see. You definitely want to have the right footwear. So if you find yourself in Canmore trying to do this loop, what I would recommend if you're not up for a big challenge is stay to the right. So follow the trail to the right, go the easy way up, come the hard way down. It's a lot easier. And just like that, the hike is all finished. The sun's stayed out for most of this hike today, and it's been a great hike exploring a new area. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.